Hey, what's up guys? We're here on another adventure. We're just outside of London, England for the Spring Detectival 2019. We just arrived. I got all registered and everything, got my goodie bag, my parking pass, and we're ready to go for tomorrow. So we're gonna go check into the hotel and unload everything, make sure everything's charged and put together and ready to go for tomorrow morning. So let's hit the road. Here I am at my hotel, the Black Boys Inn. That's just slightly creepy. Alright guys, we made it to the hotel. Man, it feels like it's been a really long day, even though it really wasn't that eventful, didn't really do much. We're gonna look for food soon because I'm starving and haven't eaten anything since breakfast this morning. So we'll catch you in the morning to do some metal detecting. We'll hit the road bright and early. Metal detecting starts at 9 a.m. at the Spring Detectival 2019. See you there. Good morning guys, we just got the day started. Hadn't really had a chance to say good morning. It's been busy. Been trying to get out here on time and get going. They just blew the horn and everybody's making their way to their first stop. I'm trying to figure out where I want to go. I'm just kind of following everybody because I really don't know the land very well. So we'll see. I'll let you see what I find at the first hole. All right, my first find. It's nothing to write home about. On to the next. Hey guys, we've been going for probably about an hour and a half now, making my way up this field, trying to find some good targets. So far nothing major, but this is probably my best find I've found so far. We dug it probably about maybe 6 inches down. You can see it. It says white on it. Looks like Whitey. On the back it says BNS Henley, which is kind of cool. That's where we are right now. So I think this probably came off some bale of hay or something. I'm not real sure. I'm not familiar with what it is, but it looks pretty neat. It's got some markings on it, so I'm going to keep it. So I'm going to fill in this hole and head on down the field and hopefully find some more. Well, I don't know what that was. Looks like it was those infamous ghost signals. Opened up the hole and it was gone. I can't find it now, so I don't know. Moving on to the next. Hey guys, well, we didn't have much luck on that field. The initial field, I think it's number 12. We are gonna follow the crowd moving up to the woods here. There's a big patch of wooded area that might be a little more difficult to detect, but we're gonna give it a shot and see how we do. There's a lot of land in that direction toward the woods, so we're gonna go make our way there. All right guys, well, I met a few guys on the walk here who gave me a little bit of intel. They told me they heard some Roman stuff was found in one of the fields over here next to the woods. And so that leads me to fields 9 and 10. I think I'm gonna head to field 10, give it a shot for a little bit, see how I do. See you there. All right, change of plans, folks. We're going to field 11. I turned the corner up here and found all these people here on this field. So usually that's a good sign that something's being found. So I'm gonna check out field 11, then we'll head to field 10 a little bit later. They're a talkative bunch, aren't they? Well, it's about 11:30, 11:40. Sitting here on the side of the hill, gonna take a break, have a little snack, stay hydrated. I think these guys smell my food. They keep inching closer and closer, and the babies are making eye contact. They want it. Guess they like beef jerky and Pringles? All right, we're on our first hole right after our snack, a little break we had. And I dug down. Not sure what it is, but it's round. Let's clean it up and see what we got. Hey guys, well, I didn't have much luck down there, so I'm moving up to some of the more centralized fields. I just ran into a guy and he said they found a hoard full of gold coins apparently, and they've got it quarantined off up here and they're excavating it. So I'm gonna go up here and take a look. We'll see you up there. It's been a good while since I walked over here, and they're still at it trying to dig up that hoard, and they brought in the big guns. They've got the big excavator in there now, so must be a pretty good find. Still haven't found that second one, but I'm gonna keep looking. I think I'm gonna try this field over here. It's right next to it. You never know. Hey guys, we're out here in the woods and look at this big tree I found. It's massive. I know this video probably doesn't do it justice, but that is a big tree. An old one too. But no luck so far, but we're gonna keep on looking. All right guys, well I decided to move out here to field number 2 and I've been digging around. I wasn't finding a whole lot. I switched up some modes on the Equinox 800 to see if that would help me out. It kind of quieted down. I think there's a lot of trash in this field, but look what I found. I don't know what it is, but it looks kind of cool. Really not sure. Hey, but it's better than shotgun shells, right? I'll take it. All right, I'm gonna put this in my bag and get on to the next. Hey guys, well, we're still over here in the same field, and I was swinging and I got around a 19 or a 20. It was a really strong signal. It wasn't very deep, so I wanted to dig it up and see what it is. As you can see, we're not very deep, and I think I saw it. Let's see. Boom, right there, look at that. I think it's modern. But I'll take it. Take it all day. Cool. Well guys, I cleaned it up a little bit. If you can read that. Whoops, I almost dropped it. Looks like it says 1884. That's not too bad. Better than I thought. Alright guys, we're here at another hole. This one fooled me a little bit. I was digging right here, but then the target moved over here. So a lot of times that's not a good sign, but this time I think it was all right. Not sure what it is yet. It's really small. Definitely can see something on it. I have to clean it up to see what it says. Cool. I'll take it. Let's get some more. We got about 45 minutes left in day 1. All right, guys. Well, it's about 6:23 at night, and that's officially the end of day 1 of the Detectival. I didn't get stumped. Found a few things, a few coins. I'm excited to clean them up and see how they look. And I got a little tip toward the end there that the field right across the street from where I was has a lot of Roman in it. A lot of Roman stuff has been found. So I'll be hitting that tomorrow first thing. I'm gonna head back here and get some dinner and eventually get home and clean up and get ready for tomorrow. We'll see you then. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's day number 2 for the Spring Detectival 2019. I just got up and got ready here at the Black Boys Inn, about 10 minutes down the road. We got the car all packed up. Everything's ready to go. So we're gonna hit the road, get there a little early, get some breakfast in us, lots of energy for the long day of digging. We'll see you there. Alright guys, we're back at the field where we left off yesterday, and because I heard there was a lot of Roman stuff here, hoping to find something, but we're on probably our 5th hole of the day. Look what I found. Again, and look at that, a key. I don't know if that's necessarily Roman, but probably not, but still kind of cool. Hey guys, well, it's about 1:20 in the afternoon. I've been all over these fields, decided to try something different. So we came up really high. Kind of hard to see the clearing back there is where the Hoard was found, so I've trekked all the way over here up the top of this hill. First signal, look what it is. Just digging it up, it's a button. It's got the shank on the back. Looks like it's got a little bit of gold on it too. Pretty cool. Yep, I'll take it. I'll put that one in the box. Hopefully there's a lot more of this up here. Let's go find it. Hey there guys. Well, I'm trekking through the woods here, finding nothing but shotgun shells. I'm pretty deep in the woods. I randomly run into another guy back here. He not only gives me an amazing tip, but shows me what he found on field number 2. Now, I know field number 2's been picked over pretty well, but it's worth going one more time just to see. He showed me several silver hammered coins and a gold badge of some sort I think was hammered onto a staff. So it was amazing to see. He let me hold it, you know, and I'm like, now I've almost got the fever again, you know. So I'm making a beeline over to field number 2. He showed me exactly on the map where he found them. Now I know it's been picked over, but you never know, that one little spot that somebody didn't swing over. There's that coin waiting for me. So I'm gonna go try to find it. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I will see you there, and hopefully I've got good news. Alright guys, well, I took the guy's advice that I got in the woods, and I came up here to where this hill, it's kind of hard to see here, but it kind of goes at an incline, and he told me it makes sense, this is where they would be, so you could see down the river and see if anybody was coming. And I got a really good signal here. I've been at it for a little while, I'm not gonna lie, but it's looking pretty good. I don't know what it is yet though. I haven't looked. Let's take a look. Alright, so we're looking in the hole here. A good hand's length deep. It's definitely a coin. There might be another half penny. It's definitely modern. It's not Roman. But hey, you know what? A coin is a coin. I'll take it. We'll have to clean it up. See what we got. On to the next. Alright guys. We're at another hole here. This one was a deep one. It goes all the way down past my wrist. I don't know if you can even tell. That's really deep. And down in there was this. Look at that. It looks like it opens up. Not exactly sure what it is. After inspection, I noticed, look at that, it looks like a key cover. Ain't that something? The old skeleton key. It still works. That's amazing. Oh, cool. I'll take it. Alright guys, well I think that is gonna just about do it for the Spring Detectival 2019. I'm sitting here on this beautiful land. Man, I love it out here. It is just awesome. All the views. Oh, I could just sit out here. But anyways, I think we've dug probably our last target. I'll put a nice little, either a picture or video of all the finds at the end of this video so you can see it. Hopefully they'll be cleaned up real nice for you too. But alright. Well, this adventure I think is in the books, so we're gonna hit the road, get packed up, head back to Finland, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.